In this video, we're going to talk about how you can change your domain name on Hostinger. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to open up the H panel on Hostinger, then click on domains, find the domain which you want to change the name for, quote unquote, and just open it up. Once you open it up, you will need to disable auto renewal. So here I've just disabled it, and this is going to display the expiration date. So can you directly change your domain name? The answer is going to be no, but there is a workaround. So here's what you have to do. You will go into domains and then you will choose get a new domain. Here you will just type the name which you want for your new domain. So I'm going to do NetHelpTest, just like that, search, and you will need to purchase a new domain, and you will relink or change the DNS server addresses from your previous website to your new domain. So for example, if you're using Vercel, you can do it on Vercel. If you're using Replit, basically any website builder that you use, you will relink your new domain which you've just purchased to your previous one, and that is how you do it. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.